cow become the mascot, and then the COW, we break the name as Cinema of Wonders. Similarly, dogs, we decided, okay, doing graphic stories. So this session called Between Cows and Dogs, and the line we say that cows are obviously Gomata, it's a very famous animal now, and cow eat grass, and we love grass. Okay, so from here we get into that, and first edition manifesto we started with. Thank you to fellow comrade Prakash Murthy wrote the first manifesto, and I may also request you if you can add one or two things if you want to about that. Why this festival? Why this festival? And the whole purpose is that only the students when they come to a good education program, they are not under that industrial compulsion, they are not under the burden of that you have to do it for money, but you are selected, you have right to tell the stories. And that is the spirit, that is the advantage a good institute can provide. A university mode right now. I'll start with one small presentation, and then I'll show you guys some of the films, short films. Like I'll show you how the students come together, every edition, and then seniors, juniors, they work sharing with each other. They just contribute, and in that process they also volunteer. They receive the guests. Entire festivals is like quickly draw attention to many other like-minded people across the globe, and then we are getting support from quite a bit of places, beyond this country. And then what it become evident that end of the day, it's a stories people like to tell and share and like to create. So the cows become my private collection. This is a collection, and it just keep on growing. So people are sending their cows, bringing their cows from different parts of the world. They also make the cows, yeah. And cow become very evident. So the birth of a cow, this cow actually born from an egg, and then egg happened at the chair gate. So I'm not talking about it. And first edition we coincided with 28 October, which is International Animation Day. Emile Renaud, who was a mad inventor, experimenter from France, who first invented that primitive pre-projector era, like it's called Thaumatrope, or yeah, Thaumatrope. So, and then he screened a short flip book, rather, a kind of a flip book, which people bought the ticket. It happened in Paris. They bought the ticket to see a flip book. It's moving, and it's like Lumiere brother, like when fast shots are being seen when the train was arriving to the station, and then audience ran away, thought that it is coming on them, but it's happening with VR glasses now. So, and this is Guiding Angel, Isabel Harguera, a fantastic animation artist, and she herself really don't know how to draw superheroes, but she is one of the top animation artists of the century. 20 animation artist of the century, and she also curated another festival called Anima, and she's a regular visitor. And this is NID. I borrowed it from one of the edition, another great mind, great friend, fellow comrade Siddharth Ghosh. His spirit is there, immortal. So this is the line what we try to tell everyone, including our own people inside the campus. Fostering the culture of responsible and value-centric design education rooted in the tradition of India and Asia. The learning objectives to see, know, understand, feel, think, and learning to do. Sensitive to traditional context, do justice to contemporary context, to envisage and set a path of future context. So, and that, I believe that we need courage for that. And you can identify some of the people are here in different costume today. So they are the volunteers, they're the students, and they're wearing the t-shirts. We do a lot of merchandising, and so far we kept it like a free festival. It's not like we don't do registration fee. We don't really we couldn't achieve the NASCOM or FICCI Friends status yet, but it is quite a limited thing. So we make a bag, we make some goodies, and student involved, and the promotional material. So this is the first edition, one of the poster designed by, we wanted to celebrate that madness, like the image which is not into the formula, And the theme was from the manifesto, everything original, because it's very important that what is original, what comes in the most spontaneous and raw manner. Second edition happened after 2 years, after 1 year, like we kept it alternative year, Biennale. The theme was your city, your stories. We wanted to bring Ahmedabad into that, and Ahmedabad has a uniqueness, like you see Mercedes-Benz and Camel Cart side by side, so you decide at which age you belong to, So it is much before demonetization happened. So even though this festival is like a Vegas banquet, people come together and it happens. And this poster is designed from my daughter's one drawing she drew, and she told me that this is a cow with a girl, and that's the world city of Ahmedabad. So another set of students, a fantastic animator, will get to see their project. Rajesh Thakre and Troy Vasan, they did this project, they did this image together. And meanwhile, people started joining it, Channel V, Cartoon Network was there from the beginning, thanks to our alumni. They came together. Then I was very sure I have to do it without any kind of pay package or anything, but it went on. It was 50 years of NID, and we thought, okay, let's do back to basic. Let's talk about conversation. Let's not send messages. Let's not go into virtual chat, but come on the street, talk to people, meet people physically. It's like something from Jack Tati's line of saying that nowadays people walk in straight lines, so nobody meet and say hello. So it's important to walk in a staggering step. You bump into someone and say hello, and then you start a conversation, and this dialogue born and the story born. So all this kind of philosophical bullshit comes, from the very immediate and raw manner. And it's a tell stories, Then fourth edition happened, which is on the ancient civilizations on 2013. So we got people, then we opened up an option of online submission because of one competition category happened. All the students from anywhere in the world, from school or independently, are welcome to submit their project. And then we tell them that we are a non-commercial festival. We can't give you money, but we give you a lot of love, a lot of happiness, and a lot of laughter, and also a trophy which is designed by our own people. And that's unique. That is priceless. Last to last year, so we are in already 2017. So Chitragatha 15 happened. That was the 5th edition. We said, love your neighbors. And this festival, we celebrated the 100 years centenary of Norman McLaren. And perhaps minus McLaren, the courage of telling animation in another kind was never been there, So this is again, I was witness of this map, which is kind of evolved in a very strange manner, someone who is around. You've seen that person's presentations today, you can identify who is that person who is around, hidden behind his hairdo. So, there are different maps. It's all students, like, you just have to tell them, yes, just do it, there is nothing called making mistakes, just do it. So these are the different kind of map, even in the navigations, because we open up for the people come, and I tell my management that if anything goes wrong, put me into jail. Let people come, and that for 3-4 days, people come. First, we started with 3 days festival. With the popularity, with the demand, we made it 5 days. So since 2011, we are doing 5 days festival. Then the entire signage and visual language, through banners, through this kind of, everywhere we try to make the identity present so people can relate, even the sessions, even the t-shirts and everything, So if you see, and then from the furniture department, industrial design department, they contributed this cow. They made this cow from the junk material, from the scrap material. It's a good feeling, And yeah, it's like if you see 2009 comics, and Tintin was one of the jury that time. I invited him, and we talked about probable collaborations between the institutes and universities, because they are the places where we find the raw minds and encourage them. So textile department contributed, made those screens on the top, yeah, and it's so beautiful, So this is the banners we did silk screen printing, and then students overnight drew images from Norman McLaren's film, because it was also a tribute to McLaren. This was my drawing, the 5th edition the fifth cow was about to fall, so it's like it was not easy to do this festival, but it happened. You see the brochures and we try to keep no plastic festival, so we don't really put anything from the plastic family. So these are the delegate passes, and this is another edition. This delegate pass is made from the scraps of the mats with some textile, some outreach workshop happened with craft people. These scraps we got and made a delegate passes, So this is from the print lab, again scrap material. Okay, this is the guy who is one of our staff in ceramic department. He helps the students to do the potter wheel stuff and all these things and deal with terracotta and all. He said one of the edition in 2015, the fifth edition, saying that I want to make small cow puppets and I want to give it to everyone, in the kit. I think 2013. I said, okay, fine. So he made cows, several cows, and different cows. And he gave names, and then he said that he made even a cow when he ran out of idea called Baba Ramdev cow. That kind of thing. And 2013 he did this. So 2015 I invited him to talk about his experience because he's again telling stories. So this is the cows, and if you see that the different poses of the cow. If you see that each of the cow is so animated. So who say that? It's again Norman MacLean saying that arrested movement. Your single drawing is good enough to animate, and that's why your graphic narrative or animation are equally powerful or dead. It depends on whether we have that emotion into this, and also, and I think at that moment of honesty comes out that kind of spontaneity, and later when it's become famous, Karthik already said that big industry can promote it and add more glamour and gloss, but that's not our headache. Our headache to discover those the defects and the raw ones. So this is again Anand Bhai designed one of the trophy, which is called Cup of Joy from the ceramics. And so people had also argument whether they will call it, order pleasure or cup of joy. This is Cup of Joy. Yeah. This is another edition, first edition trophy. This is again first edition. We gave this. We said that okay, we are also falling into that belt of Indus Valley. So you never know. Like the political border and visa and passport came much later, but it's again people travel here and there and they left impressions and that is the constant search for us. Maybe like. And we wanted to also say that okay, we also have our own beauty contest and all these things. So this is one of the trophy designed by another mad guy, a Santal boy, Sahib Ram Tudu. Yeah, and we exhaust all our stocks of old newspapers in the library and magazines, and they're very happy to give it to us because they got a space, and we made a trophy out of it, paper mache, and then we made smaller stuff to give it to the paper. And then we put this winner like this, and you see that this winner also got a little seductive pose. 2013 trophy was in the ancient civilization, so we took it straight from that Indus Valley card. And this is fantastically designed by a group of students. Chong, who is in now Gangtok, who never wore a full pant and full shirts because he's from mountain. He always move around in shorts, but he's fantastic hands-on guy, and along with a nice team. One chap again, he's immortal. We lost him to another world. Arjun Kumar Das, that kind of immortality we also celebrate. So everything has become part of story. This trophy was last edition. You see, this is again anthropomorphism. So yeah. So that's what we wanted to say that stories are everywhere. It's everything. Every picture tells a story, and that's why perhaps Chitragatha become somewhere little bit of success in silence. It is not loud. It is like this kits. First edition kit is designed by some of the women from Blind Women's Association in Ahmedabad. Some student came and find out that they do this kind of jute bags and all, so they did it. We paid them some small amount from institute, and we got it. And then another edition, 2011, SEVA, Self-Employed Women's Association. They came and they told their stories, that how their grassroots level women took the camera and tell their stories, and in return they made these bags happily for us, So it is again collaborations beyond, and so yeah, these are the sessions like exhibitions, the kit, different kind of kits, badges, what we give inside time and again, flip books, t-shirts, and many crazy things. So it's like, it should be actually presented by someone from IIM, but I don't know. These are newsletters. Again, some students are good at writing, proofreading, editing. Some students are good at drawing. Some from graphic background. So we all come together during that time. So you see that they volunteer, they register, and these are some of the sessions. I won't spend much time here because I have to show you some films. Yeah, this is one of the very memorable exhibition we did, because the institute also has a nice infrastructure, and this institute is designed with so futuristic mind, ahead of its time, that you really can play it like Lego, the building, and it's up to you how you can exploit it. So that also gives us a great help. So we don't have to go out and book an auditorium or hire a kind of exhibition gallery. Everything is there. So this is called Aquarium, and where we pay tribute to one of the early animation called Swimming, which is made by one Italian children book illustrator, Io Leoni, and along with him came one Italian colleague of him, animator, Giulio Giannini or Gianni. So they animated, and some of our early animation young faculties, those who later some become directors, some become famous graphic designer, or whatever, they worked under. And Swimming become quite a sentimental thing for us. So we made an exhibition on Swimming that time. In the aquarium, it perfectly fitted. It's a story of fishes. Some of those Patachitrakas, this and that, it goes on. And then 2013 onwards, we started bringing our collaborations with different institutes across the world. Some friend from Switzerland, Hochschule Lausanne Art and Design. One of the friends, François Chalet, he is known for doing projection animation. Bringing the animation out of the screen and projecting it on the buildings, on the tree, on people, and not hologram, not 3D projection, but simple, flat, 2D, hand-drawn stuff, and trying to see what the experience is all about. So this last edition, we did an exhibition of one of the very famous cartoonist and artist from Bangladesh, Rafiqul Nabi, his character called Tokai, who's a practical boy. When we invited him as a chief guest, so we did his exhibition of cartoons. This is, you can see that Tagore narrative, Tagore project. We did a work in progress exhibitions, different exhibition of student project and all, and student workshops of many kinds. Another person is here, you can identify him maybe. This is some kind of blind workshop, like keeping eyes shut and try to sense the sound and try to sense the taste and smell. Because we are bombarded with so much of image, so we lose certain things and other things to tell stories. So, and this is another interesting project workshop which happens at Italian gang camps called Cucinema, means kitchen cinema. And what they do, they cook and they paint on film strip together, and they record the sound of the process, And then at the end, they screen it, they eat the food they cook, and they celebrate cinema. And they say that cinema and cooking is a community activity. You make it together and you celebrate it together. And I think it's beautiful, And children workshops, all these things happen. This is some of the projection animation. Some edition, we got Sufi singers, they did a performance, and different minds. Ramon sir, we facilitated in first edition. Second edition, Chandi Lahiri from Calcutta. Our unsung hero, fantastic camera person of Auxbury camera, of animation camera, Deepak Bhai. Different international guests, Peter Parr and Rafiq Nabi. Behram Azami from Iran made a fantastic, he's a cartoonist and animator, a Japanese guy from Tokyo University of Art, from Bhutan. They do another festival. So a lot of them are involved into some kind of festival activities, teaching, and they are in alternatives, parallels. They are from Central Academy of Fine Arts, Beijing. From Egypt, we got the taste of African animation and all. From Poland, it goes on, So this is something like everything get blurred there. Praso Chalet for projection animation and all. I'm not going to spend much time here right now. Our own people. Our own faculties, like Shakti was surprised when I told him he's an expert on vegetable dyes in textile department. I told him you tell the story of colors. And he said this is animation festival. I said no, this is a storytelling festival. And then when he presented, and it was really, people loved it, because we need to know other subjects. I mean, we can't be jack of all trades, and that's why collaborative projects are always important. Not to tell everything by yourself, and that is perhaps we also lack in this country. That any graphic narrative project, we don't do enough content research, and academics actually can give you that kind of room to do your, and that's why we take more time in pre-production. We don't really immediately produce and say that okay, it's a product, So anyway, this goes on. Then students perform in every closing ceremony, and then we give awards, etc., etc. And these are the supporters. Some come, some say they'll give money, some don't give money, some disappear. But we use these logos because it looks nice. And of course, for the management people in the institute, they really feel that these guys are there. So they give us a little bit of money that way. Otherwise, I'll never get money. Yeah, our motto is to collaborate, and that's what this collaboration is also with cows and dogs. And this is called between cows and dogs. And this is the first time officially I'm revealing this. This year is again the Chitragatha year, and I'm happy that cow got a brother dog, and then we'll be celebrating the 6th edition where Africa is the theme, and October 22nd to 28th, because I was requested that 5 days are too long of a time, go back to 3 days. And since I was very bad in mathematics, I made it 7 days. So because I think you need that much of time, and we'll be definitely doing a lot of FD publicity and other kind of publicity, and we need volunteers. So definitely we'll be working on. Now I'll go quickly into these publicities. So the lights, a couple of these. No, sorry. This is some other. I don't know why it's not coming.
What's happening?
No, some other thing is coming. What's going on? I have to play it separately, maybe. Okay, so this kind of thing comes. We take everything and we don't say no. So then there is. This is the first edition again. Better be original. along with the smaller promos, like then people also came together and they keep on contributing on different promos. I'm coming to that, but at the same time, I'll show you quickly the Facebook publicity where I myself also keep on posting, like dogs, I was keep on posting. So this kind of post we encourage, time to time. So this is during the program, before the program. So everybody come together. It's not necessarily everybody's allowed to do and welcome to do their stuff. And in that process, what happened? Students really get a chance, to take a break from their classroom assignments and from claustrophobia and all these things, and actually a lot more spontaneous work comes out. So, and variety of images, variety of graphics which comes up. What you can see? Which is called Everything Original. From the department which comes and we give it to the different delegates also come. But the best part, what happened, like juniors and seniors, they come together. This is again our very continuous tradition where when seniors put up their work, juniors come and help. And that is what we are trying to encourage and remind. And then some of the younger ones say that okay, our edition of Chitragatha will also work. And then they take a lot of responsibility, which is a fantastic energy. So this is the result where from music, from script, from image, from drawing, from everything, it's a no internet downloads. Everything is created from the studio. And okay, from there, which is celebrating the city. From that drawing of my daughter, of the cow and the chicken. Then after that, 2011, that promo, which we are celebrating 50 years of NID, and we said that come to the street, leave your computer and converse.